Now I have the wheel off. I still have the chain and the front sprocket still on there. I did go ahead and loosen up the bolts on the rear wheel. So save us some battery life on the camera. But you're probably wondering, how am I going to get the chain off? So when in doubt, always have your trusted Dremel tool and your safety glasses. Remember, safety's first. So on that note, what I'm gonna do is find a spot in the chain pretty much and grind the ends down, and from there I will just pry the front plate off, and that's it. I know special tools out there you can use, but I have replaced plenty of chains, and hey, whatever works for you works for you. And that's it. So let's get this chain off here. What I like to do is take a screwdriver and kind of hit it down in there between the front plate here, and then from there it's downhill.